A helicopter is a vehicle which can fly in the air. Helicopter can remain still while in the air. It can be landed anywhere and does not require a runway to land or fly. A helicopter is very useful. It is used in military, as ambulance, as passenger bus, for construction, and also for emergency purposes. Helicopter is an important part of today's society. It is a ship and a large boat which carries people and cargo to long distances. Ancient Egypt built the ships in 400 BC. Ships have been used for trading activities since ancient time. World's 80% of trade take place through ships. Suez Canal is an important trade route. It is a vehicle which can fly in the air. It is long and cylindrical in shape. It is an aeroplane. It has two main wings, and with them are the high turbine engines. There are two more wings in the back and a tail, which helps in giving direction to the aeroplane. Aeroplane was invented by Wright brothers. And since then, it has been improved drastically. Airplanes have made our journey very convenient and time-saving. It takes just a few hours to reach the other corner of the world. Ropeway, also known as an aerial tramway or cable car. It is a transportation system that moves passengers or goods in a suspended cabin on a cable. It consists of one or two stationary cables and a moving cable that pulls the cabin along the track. Ropeways are commonly used in mountainous areas to provide transportation for tourists or to transport goods to remote locations. A tram is a public transport vehicle, usually powered by electricity from wires above it, which travels along rails laid in the surface of a street. It is a means of transport and carries people and goods. A train is a vehicle. It is long and has many wheels. The train moves on rail lines. It runs on electricity or diesel. It carries lots of people. The train has many cabins. People travel for short and long distances by train. It is important for daily transport. Trains can be local, express, and also metro rails.